In this video, I will show you a list of 20 questions that you can practice if you want to practice on LEDs, buzzers, servo motors, and LCDs, right? As a beginner, so I have listed 20 questions for each category, which you can refer. So here, for example, if you want to practice on LEDs, you have 5 questions here. So these are 5 questions you can practice. These are easy questions. It's not that difficult, so you can practice that. And if you want to explore buzzers with Arduino, then you have another 5 questions. Similarly, if you are going to work with servo motors, then I have listed 5 more questions here. So like I said, for each category I have listed 5 questions, and those are quite easy. It's doable for beginners even. And then if you want to practice on LCDs, right, if you have LCDs and you want to practice on that using Arduino, you have another 5 questions. So for each category there are 5 questions, and all the questions are quite easy. I have made a couple of videos on few of the category, like blinking LEDs and how to print a hello world on LCD, and these are my recent posts, you can see. So it's a simple project you can do. And if I talk about buzzers, so if you're going to build a project where you have to work with temperature sensors, right, and if you do not have temperature sensor, you can skip that. I will be making another video in few days where I will list all the basic sensors that we should have, which are those who are learning embedded system, right, or Arduino. So you can leave this question if you do not have a temperature sensor. Rest of them are good. Like I said, I'll be making another video for sensor, what sensors you should purchase as a beginner. And these are good to start with. These the list of questions I have listed here are good to start with. So go through them, right? Try and practice and see how it helps you.